Hello everyone, this is Ishan here from MACJ A Buyer Choice Home Inspections, India's leading home and property inspection company. We do health and safety inspections of all types of properties, and we are also an expert in thermography, which is the identification of any hidden dampness, water leakage, seepage issues in a property using thermal imaging technology. Today, we are going to share with you a very tricky case of water leakage, seepage issues from a leading news channel's toilet to a renowned retail chain store below. The news channel had both gents and ladies toilets side by side, and the building maintenance team couldn't identify from which toilet the leakage was happening. The source could be from anywhere. Repeated attempts were made to stop the seepage, but it all failed. Team MACJ steps in and does an inspection at midnight, finds the source, solves this with minimum of fuss and cost, but a maximum of technology, knowledge and experience. In the ground floor, water dripping noted from expansion joint along first floor ladies washroom and near UPS room entrance. As confirmed by IR images, moisture presence was noted along the entire expansion joint on both sides of the beam. On the first floor, MACJ team does a thermal scanning of the gents and ladies bathroom to track the water path and possible source of the leakage. But there was no particular one source in the surrounding areas. The team did a thorough inspection of all the toilets and urinals and found multiple issues causing the problem. Finally, we found the source. After hours of inspection, Team MACJ found a total of 7 concealed leakage in the WCs and urinals. Along with issues in floor outlet of both gents and ladies toilet, the team identified the exact location of the leakage seepage, preventing unnecessary damage to the newly constructed bathroom, resulting in the least cost, least destructive, long-term solution. The building maintenance team had a sleepless night. The issue was correctly and precisely identified with a simple solution. Not only did the team MACJ solve it successfully, but also saved the client from major future damage, which would have resulted in incurring a lot of money.